Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 主 step by step. I will write it in printing scripts, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 主 means owner. God, man. For example, 主要man. Now check this sentence. What's the main reason behind this success? What the main reason behind this success? 这种成功最主要的原因是什么呢？这种成功最主要的原因是什么呢？这种成功 this success 成功最主要 main 的原因 reason 是什么呢？What's the main reason behind this success? 这种成功最主要的原因是什么呢？这种成功最主要的原因是什么呢？ That's right. 主 in cursive. 主主 owner, God, man, 主要 man. What's the main reason behind this success? 这种成功最主要的原因是什么呢？ Please comment any sentence with Chinese character 主. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.